solve question number second part B. If you guys want to check the first two questions, question number one and question number second part A, you guys can check the playlist as well. And this is the third video, and first two videos were related to the question number one and part A of the question number two. So today we are going to solve question number second part B. It's a 6 marks question, and you already know the structure of the 6 marks question. So the question is that, so we will directly start the question in this lecture as well. So the question is that, explain one strength and the one limitation of using covert approach to participants observation. So let's start from the strength. Remember that because it's a 6 marks question, so you need to at least try to do it in a 6 minutes or in a 5 minutes, or could be 7 minutes, not give extra time to such questions, because you need to manage your time as well. Sociology is all about to manage your time during the papers. So let's start from the strength. So let's just follow the structure of the question. So given the strength of the covert approach participants observation, strength is the covert participants observation, or you can say minimize observer effect. Minimized observer effect. What does it mean? Since the subject, or since the participant, or since the observer, whatever the person we are going to observe, since observers are unaware of being observed, they are less likely to modify their behavior or actions due to the presence of researcher. As a result, researcher can get natural and authentic data. Natural and authentic data. Now, give one limitation to wind up this question. Now, limitation, what we can give is that ethical concern. The lack of informed consent may raise or may question mark the ethical dilemma. This may related to the privacy of observer, yeah, what you can say, the participants, and potentially potentially harming their reputation, or potentially harming the reputation of the researcher and the validity of finding, and validity of finding. So this is how you have to respond the 6 marks question. Remember that you need to solve it in a very short time period, so as we did in this lectures, because if you give short time to these questions, you would be able to give maximum time to your long question, that is a 26 marks question, and you would be able to think, and then you would be able to solve and collect the headings just to make it very qualitative answers. So that's it for question number 4.